If you can't see that difference there, so nice. So you see the line of the yard right there with the neighbor, and just the color green that we've got over here now. And it's been 5 days. Yeah, 5 days now since we put out the plant growth regulator. We put out the humic acid and sea kelp, and we also put out the chelated iron. And God, it's made a huge difference. Let's scroll back around this way. And the grass has grown, of course. The grass has grown since I put the PGR out, but not a lot. But it's gotten this really dark green color. It's really come along. And so I've got the mower out today. I've raised the height of cut just a little bit. I think we're probably maybe 3/4 or maybe a little less than 3/4 of an inch. So that's probably what I'm gonna keep it at. And so we're gonna mow this today. And if you look down here, I've actually already started a little bit, and I was like, no, I need to film this. My tripod was broken sometime in the last few days by my son, so I'm gonna figure out a way to prop the camera up here. But yeah, just wanted to show the results of the plant growth regulator and the chelated iron and humic acid. If you see, we definitely need to edge, but there's a little bit of weeds right there. But what you'll notice over the course of the next month as we keep the plant growth regulator down and we keep applying it, is you'll see the grass blades. You'll see these leaves right here just start to really tighten up, like the spacing between each. When that starts happening, that's when everything gets really thick and green. I don't know. I don't think I missed any spots here, but it is, look at that, it's over an inch tall in these areas. So I don't know if I missed some spots or what, but I'm really about 200% confident I went over this area and sprayed it with the plant growth regulator. Also, if you remember last time, the difference between this and that was huge between the yard across the street, and now we're making ground pretty even. This may be a little darker, it's probably hard to tell, but that our grass is much shorter as theirs.
As long as you and me, baby, we can open every door. From the day you stole my heart, I never ever want to be apart from all the things that are you. I know our love will see us through. Don't you feel the times are coming? 'Cause I feel it so strong. I've been on hold now, baby. Don't you feel the times are coming? When it feels so right to dance in the moonlight, baby, with you. Don't you feel the times are coming?
All right, we are finished with this side area. Get a good look at how it looks now. We got a little bit of stripe action going on. So now we're gonna turn our focus over here and do some mowing. All right, here's a final look at the side yard again. Again, we cut this just now, and you can kind of see where we're at here on the height of cut. So I don't know, you know, probably 3/4 of an inch. All right, now we're looking at the front yard after cutting it. Again, got a little bit of stripe action going on, but everything's looking good. Much better and much more pleased than I was a week ago, that's for sure. And I did do some edging up here on the sidewalk. So everything is good. So real quick, trying to film the front yard, the camera got hot or something. said it overheated or whatever. So I just quit worrying about that. I just went ahead and got the cut done, but I saw the results here. I'm having issues now. My tripod is broken and my camera was overheating, so we'll get it figured out. But hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got something out of seeing how the chelated iron and plant growth regulator and humic acid really helped to bring this lawn back to life. You know, it wasn't in bad shape anyway. It didn't have color, and that's what I wanted back in the lawn. So if you enjoyed the video, again, as always, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. What's that, Ryder? Look at this. Look at this kid. Come here, come here.